In this video, we'll show you how to connect multiple domains to a single Wix site. This allows you to redirect visitors from different domain names to one main website. Let's get started. Here's what we'll cover: what to do before connecting an additional domain, how to connect a domain to your site, and what happens after you connect your domain. Feel free to follow along or skip to the section you need using the timestamps on screen. Before connecting an additional domain, make sure your site is upgraded to a premium or studio plan. And if the domain was purchased elsewhere, connect it to your Wix account first. Not sure how? Click the on-screen link or the one in the video description. Connecting an additional domain is similar to connecting a single domain, but it changes if your site already has one connected. Let's walk through the process to make it clear. Go to Domains in your Wix account. Click the Domain Actions icon next to the domain you want to assign. If the domain isn't assigned to any site, select Assign to a Site. If the domain is already assigned to another site, select Assign to a different site. For this example, I'm going to assign my unassigned domain to the same site as my existing domain. Select the site you want to connect the domain to and click Next. Now, this is where the process differs from connecting a single domain to a site. Since this site already has a domain, and for this example, I want to connect another one, Wix gives you two options to choose from. Redirect to the primary domain. Visitors to your new domain will be automatically redirected to the existing primary domain. Replace the primary domain. Your new domain becomes the site's main address, while the existing primary domain is disconnected. It won't be deleted. It'll remain in your domains page, and you can decide what to do with it later. Choose your preferred option and click Assign. After connecting your additional domain, it may take up to 24 hours for the changes to update. During this time, visitors can access your site using both the primary domain and the redirected domain. After 24 hours, when someone visits your redirected domain, the URL in their browser will automatically update to your primary domain. And that's it. You now know how to assign a domain to a site. All links and resources mentioned are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and check out our other tutorials in our Help Center and YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.